Garri production line is made up of a variety of machines. So, do you know how many machines do you need to make a Garri production line? First, cleaning and peeling machine. The purpose of cleaning is to remove sand, soil, peel, and also facilitate the work of the next process. Second, cassava crusher. The purpose of the crushing is to cut the roots of cassava into small pieces. Third, press dehydrator. Cassava still contains a lot of water after washing, peeling, and crushing. At this time, it needs to be dehydrated by press dehydrator. The next step is fermentation, but this process doesn't require any machines. The crushed cassava can be fermented in a natural state. Fourth, grinder. The fermented cassava flour will condense into a lump again, and the coagulated cassava powder block needs to be ground for the second time. Fifth, wok, jacketed pot. The ground cassava flour is stir-fried in this pot. The machine has the characteristic of uniform heating, convenient discharging, and simple operation. Sixth, three-stage screening machine. This machine will screen out large blocks. Larger particles will be put into the grinder again for secondary grind. Ensure the quality and taste of the final products.